Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport Series 3 in the color Atomic Silver. You have your F Sport grille, triple beam headlamps, headlamp washers. You have 20-inch F Sport alloy wheels, Panoramic View Monitors, and keyless entry to the vehicle. You have circuit red interior throughout, and your 10-way powered front seats. On your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, rear trunk hatch, heads-up display, heated steering, and panoramic view monitors. Your F Sport steering wheel includes your paddle shifters, Bluetooth and audio controls, lane assist and cruise control settings. You also have rain sensing wipers. Down below you have your mode selector, Lexus trackpad, your cup holders, a space for your device, heated and ventilated front seats, and a wireless charger. Above, you have your dual climate controls and audio controls. You also have a 12.3 screen display. Above, you also have your controls for your panoramic sunroof and your SOS button. Heading into the back seats, you have power folding rear seats, and in the trunk, you have anchor points throughout, alternate power folding rear seat controls, a tonneau cover to hide your belongings, and your spare tire below. You also have a kick sensor that opens and closes your trunk. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.